In Section 3, we will talk about market strategy. A successful marketing strategy is going to aim at developing a marketing plan that identifies the target audience and a way to reach out to them. So your marketing plan is a formal document that defines marketing objectives and the specific strategies for achieving those objectives. Once the target market has been identified, the next step is to determine how one can make the best use of marketing tools to reach them. Marketing segmentation is dividing the customers into groups of similar people or segments. And once you divide these people into segments, you can determine strategies to reach the target market and also anticipate and respond to changes in the external environment. This exhibit shows the different elements that help in shaping the target market. So the group of people who are most likely to buy a particular product is the target market. And the characteristics of a well-chosen target market is size. You have to have enough people in your target group to support a business. Profitability. Consumers must be willing and able to spend more than the cost of producing and marketing your product. Accessibility. Your target must be reachable through channels your business can afford. Limited competition. Look for markets with limited competition. A crowded market is going to be much tougher to crack. And let's take a look at consumer marketers. These are marketers who are focused on selling this product to the customers, the people, for personal consumption. So this is also known as the business to consumer because the business is focusing on the consumer, the individual consumer. Business marketers, also known as business to business, marketers are going to direct their efforts toward people who are buying products to use either directly or indirectly to produce other products. So they are focused on selling to a business who's going to use these products to make their products. A similarity between business to consumer and business to business marketers is they both need to select the best target. However, their approaches to achieve this target differ slightly because who they're selling to. And the first step is to divide prospective customers into groups based on similarities. Because people can be similar in a number of different ways, marketers have several options for segmenting potential consumers. The different ways in which consumers use the product and benefit from using it are included in this process. So we have demographic segmentation, and this is where you divide the market into smaller groups based on measurable characteristics about people. So this could be based on age, income, ethnicity, and gender. Geographic segmentation is dividing the market into smaller groups based on where the consumers live. So this process can incorporate countries, cities, or population density as key factors. Psychographic segmentation, these groups are divided according to the consumer attitudes or interests, values, and lifestyles. Behavioral segmentation divides groups of people based on how they behave toward certain products. And this category right here includes both the benefits that consumers seek from products and how consumers use the products. So for businesses, the business market segmentation, the business-to-business geographic segmentation divides the markets based on the concentration of customers. Then the business-to-business customer-based segmentation divides the markets based on customers' characteristics. The business-to-business product use is going to divide the market based on how customers will use the product. And so business-to-business marketers typically follow a similar process in segmenting their markets, but their categories, as you can see, are a little bit different. The various elements of a marketing mix include product strategy, pricing strategy, distribution strategy, and promotion strategy. In the product strategy, the product involves far more than a specific service. In the pricing strategy, the prices must be fair to deliver customer value relative to the benefits of the product. In the distribution strategy, the goal is to deliver the products to the right people in the right quantities at the right time and in the right place. In the promotion strategy, promotion includes all of the ways that marketers communicate about their products. Environmental scanning is the process of continually collecting information from the external marketing environment. Avoid ambushes and to uncover new opportunities, one must continually monitor how both dominant and emerging competitors handle each element of the marketing mix. One's goal as a marketer is to identify and respond to changes as soon as possible, keeping in mind that a sharp eye sees opportunity even in economic downturns. Anticipating and responding to trends can be especially important in industries such as entertainment, fashion, and technology. So technology often affects marketers in ways that are less directly visible. The political climate includes changing levels of governmental support for various business categories. Clearly, the political legal issues affect heavy regulated sectors such as telecommunications and pharmaceuticals more than others. And of course, the internet has made the world market virtually accessible to everyone. It's important to understand each element of the marketing mix for each of your markets.